most luxurious car I've ever sat in. Look at all this room. Isn't that crazy? This is a V12 Mercedes May-back Pullman. Watch what's in here. These two buttons. Watch what happens. This two-seater is now suddenly a four-seater car. This closes the door, like on a Rolls Royce. And then, look at all of these curtains. Total privacy with this. This one here, the sunroof. Look at this, this is cool. To reveal this massive sunroof, and with this button right here, you can actually change the color. Translucent or blue, whatever tickles your fancy. Now, check this out. In here, you've got a cup compartment that you can either cool or heat them up. And in this compartment, look what we've got. A May-back branded champagne glass. Look at this. And if you tried to drink your Dom Perignon in this, you can't fit it in here. It's just going to shake around everywhere. So they have dedicated champagne spots right here. Look at this. Boom. Perfect. That is mad. You've got a fridge that can fit 3 champagne bottles. It goes all the way back here. You can actually raise or lower this screen. Here we go. Sergi.
Hey.
Hey, man.
What's going on?
What's going on? Going to Macca's soon. All right, now we'll pull this up again. See you later, mate.
Later.
Okay, if I want to speak to him now that it's closed, you press this. You've got a little intercom button. Hello, Sergi.
Hello. What would you like to order?
I'd like a Big Mac, please.
Sounds good. That'll be $5.20.
$5.20. You pay for it. Don't have any cash back here. All right, so you just turn that off when you don't want to talk to him anymore. You've got surround sound speakers. So massive one here, massive one here. You've actually got 24 speakers all over the car. Complete surround sound. Now, one more thing. With this button, right here, this is going to raise the main TV. We got one TV remote here and another TV remote. Why? Let me show you. You've now got 3 TVs in this car. You've even got another compartment here. This is a Mercedes branded mobile phone. Have you seen that before? Driver?
Yes, ma'am.
You're fired.
Say what?
I'm driving.
What?
Get out. What do you think of these rims? I reckon they need to be pimped. Look at how long this is. 600 meters. It's based on an S-Class Mercedes. Look at the V12. You can see it here. Big turbo with 530 horsepower. Come on in. This is the driver's pad. IWC watch here, which is a nice touch. Even the driver is in luxury. All this leather here. You don't usually see that much leather on the front. And all these speakers, look, they're just everywhere.